In this demonstration we will install the recovery service on the recovery location VM and configure the storage location for recovery. A recovery location is a Windows system that hosts a running recovery service to process restores. Click on Recovery Locations in the vertical menu. Click Add Recovery Location. Select the customer from the drop-down. Select the recovery location type. In this example, we will use the default, which is Hyper-V. Click Download. Do not change the file name as the recovery service package is unique to the customer. Copy the recovery service file to the VM. Right-click the executable file on the recovery location VM and select Run as Administrator. Click Next to install the recovery service. Click Finish to close the setup wizard. The new recovery location appears on the Management Console's Recovery Locations page and requires configuration for a storage location. Click Add Storage Location. The customer and recovery location name populate automatically. The number of parallel restores defaults to 5. Enter the storage location. In this example, local drive is selected by default and we will enter a local path. Click Save. The recovery location appears online and is now available for one-time restore.